How come no one's talking about how insane it is to plant a seed and then expect a full-grown tree the next day? So you go back to the person who sold you the seeds and scream, "I wanted Jack and the beanstalk, not this. This is a scam." But here's the thing. When you plant a seed, you're not going to see instant results. You expect roots to grow first, roots that push down into the soil, facing resistance, getting stronger with every challenge. Only when those roots are deep enough does the shoot begin to sprout. And then only when the tree is fully grown does it bear fruit. See, most people are unrealistically expecting it to be easy. They avoid the struggle, they avoid the hard work, and they miss out on the best parts of growth. They want quick results, but that's not how anything worthwhile works. The true test in life? Hard now, easy later. The tough stuff makes everything that comes after it worth it. Go put in the hard work for the fruit later.